Then where are you coming from? Your school, Dad. You wasn't sick after all, was you? So you lied to me just so you could go to a school dance because you didn't want to go to your grandma's house. Just to go to a school dance. This is so disappointing. I can't believe you did this. This is very serious. And I took you to the ER and everything. You in a whole lot of trouble. You got something to say? Sorry, I ain't gonna cut it. You know what? You ain't going to none of the school dance, so you better not ask me. You're not hanging out with your friends or nothing because this stunt that you pulled, this is so out of the ballpark.